Are you tired of feeling like you're stuck in your real estate investing journey, trying to add real estate to your portfolio where you can diversify from the stock market? I specialize in helping veterans and busy professionals invest in real estate and lower their risk profile. With my guidance and expertise, guess what? You'll be able to take control of your financial future and live the life that you always dreamed of and buy your time back. That's right, achieve time freedom. I'm here to help. Johnny Lynham, been in the Air Force for about 17 and a half years now, Lieutenant Colonel, and been a real estate investor for almost the entire time. I bought my first property in 2006. We started our real estate investing company in 2015 where we fixed and flipped well over 45 homes now. Started buying multifamily apartments to the tune of now we have over 112 units worth over $10.2 million and continue to grow and build, and now coach and mentor others who are looking to build cash flowing real estate and add those to their portfolio. And that's the thing that a lot of people don't understand, is that you don't have to go through this investing journey by yourself. That there are people out here, there's mentors, coaches that are seasoned and know what they're doing, whereas they now. You don't have to go and try to fly the plane by yourself, if you will, because if you're trying to get to a destination and you've never flown before and you don't have a pilot license, you're not going to try to fly yourself across the country. You're going to pay somebody, you're going to hire the right person to do it. And that's the only thing that in the real estate space that I pride myself on, being able to help veterans and busy professionals that are looking to diversify and looking to build up passive income, but they want to make sure that they do it the right way and limit their risk exposure. Grew up in Lower Alabama, joined the Air Force after I graduated University of Alabama with an electrical engineering degree, and it's been a great journey. And I think one of the things now is all about giving back and helping others achieve their dreams and build wealth and establish a legacy for themselves and for their family. So I think that's one of the things when you start looking at my REI Accelerator program, that it allows people to build up their portfolio and get to the point where they're having 4- and 5-figure passive income goals met in a short amount of time. Whether it's 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. I'm a true believer that everyone's real estate investing strategy is going to be different. It's going to be personal because everybody's starting from a different vantage point. Whether they have a lot of time and not a lot of money, or they may have a lot of money and not a lot of time. But that individual investment strategy is going to be the key to focus them in on getting the right assets at the right time and at the right prices in order to be successful in meeting those financial goals. And so that's one of the things that we do, that we work. We make it simple, we make it straightforward, and we help you get those right assets, whether it's single family or whether it's on the multifamily side, or if it's passive investing and investing in the right deals. And it all goes towards getting together and making those dreams and that reality, taking action to make it come true. And so I think that's one of the biggest things with buying the assets and continue to grow as a real estate investor in the right community is a game changer in order to find that success. So I think, if you're interested and you're looking to pick up your next deal in the next 3-4 months, then I highly encourage you to check out our program. We would love to have you as a new member in the community, and we don't settle for mediocrity. I think that's one of the things that we pride ourselves on, that we push discipline, we push execution, and we make sure that you're doing everything that you need to do in order to reap the results that you're looking for.